Hello children, welcome to another class of computer lesson. So, we have already learned this chapter 8 font with MS Word. Right? Yes. So, let's continue this chapter. Before that, let me remind you what are the things we have learned in our previous class. Hope you remember that. But let me remind you. At first, we learned about what is the need for typing. What is the need? Typing is everybody's need, and that means a student has to type essays, short stories, poems, stories, novels, etc. or any other information. Then a person in office has to type letters. Then a teacher types list of names of students. A librarian types its list of books in the library, etc. So after we discussed about MS Word, so it's a software, is the most popular typing software, and it has some features. So can you tell me what are the features we have learned? Yes, we can apply attractive font styles, font type, and also font color to the text. Then next, how to open MS Office Word 2007? Just click start button, then point to all program, point to Microsoft Office, then point to MS Office 2007. The next is screen components. So what are the screen components? Tab, Office button, ribbon, title bar, command buttons. Then typing the text means text is a group of characters or letters, and the typing letters it help understand the typing process. So selecting the text means to choose the letters you want to apply some operations. Then here after that we discussed about different types of font styles, which are the bold, italics and underline. And what are the shortcut keys? Ctrl plus B, Ctrl plus I and Ctrl plus U. Then we already learned about changing font type, font size, then changing font color, etc. So let's move to another topic, inserting a picture. Inserting a picture. Inserting a picture means it's not that you can only type the text in the document, but also you can add, insert, or you can insert pictures from the gallery or from the folder to the document. You can insert pictures from a folder to the document. So let's learn about how to add a picture to the Word. How to add a picture to the Word document. Then there are some steps for applying or adding picture to the document. So first step is click on the insert tab. So first step is what? Insert tab. So insert tab. Then next click picture. So click picture. Insert picture. P-I-C-T-U-R-E. Picture. Then select the picture. Select S-C-L-E-C-D. Select T-H-E-D. P-I-C-T-U-R-E. Picture. Select the picture. Then next, insert, I-N-S-C-R-E-T, sorry, E-R-T, insert, then insert button, insert button. So once again, how to insert a picture? First, go to insert tab, and then there is a icon or internet using or otherwise you can also add some pictures using pen drive and copy it into your folder. So you can also insert that picture. Then so you can simply insert any picture to the document from a folder using this steps. Once again, what are the steps? Insert a picture, select the picture, insert button. So here look at the picture, page number 78. Here also defines how to insert pictures. So what is the first step? So here is the picture which shows the different tabs and components. First click on the insert tabs. Here is the insert tab and just click on it. So what is the second step? Click on picture icon. So here is the picture icon. So you can, if you want to select any picture, first you need to click on the picture icon. Then what is the third step? An insert dialog box appears. So here is the insert dialog box. Its name is dialog box. So for the purpose of inserting picture, so its name is insert dialog box, and which contain different types of pictures. So from here you can add the pictures into the documents. So it contains different pictures. Then there is the click on the picture which you want to insert. So just click any picture. For example, if you selected the picture of penguin, then there is a rectangular mark on the surrounding of the picture, and then after that click on the insert button. So at the bottom side of the dialog box we can see there are two buttons, insert button and a cancel button. So if you want to cancel this picture for inserting purpose, just cancel it, otherwise you can insert it from here. So insert button, and then finally the picture of penguin will be appeared on the document. So picture can be taken by digital camera, scanned or downloaded from the internet. So finally what happens? The picture will be inserted in the main screen. So that's the first one. Then moving to next topic, inserting word art. Word, W-O-R-D, word, A-R-T, art, word art. So before that, what is a word art? Word art is the text with the special effects applied to it. So what is word art? Word art is the special, is the text. Word art is a, simply it is a text. Text means simply a letter, and which with special effects applied to it. With special effects applied to it. Effects applied to it. Yes, so that is word art. Word art contains different effects. That means in this feature we can apply some effect to the text you entered in the document. So that is the main feature of a word art. Word art contains different types of effects that will be useful to the text you entered in the screen. So simply the definition of word art is the text with the special effects applied to it. So you do not need to apply the special effect to the selected text, but just choose the effect that is already saved and already available in the word art section. You do not need to operate in a particular way to attract the text beautiful. There are already some ready-made special effects which is available on the word art. So you can choose that effect from there. So here a collection of special effects which is available in the word art style gallery. From there, word art style, word art style, word art style gallery. So it contains different types of special effects, you can simply choose one of the from the gallery. So let's do it. To insert the word art in your document, first step is click on the insert tab. Which tab? Insert tab. So first you click on the insert tab. So here first step is steps. First step, click which tab? Insert tab. Click insert tab. Then second step, click on the word art button. Click on the word art button. We know there are different types of tabs are present in the word, and you have to select insert tab. So from there you can select word art button. So the next step is click word art button. Word art button. So the second step is click word art button. And the third step, from the word art style gallery, then select the style to apply. Select the style to apply. So select styles from the word art style gallery. Select style or special effect from the word art gallery. And the fourth step, a word art text box opens. Then from there you can edit the text or continue it if it is so. Then click OK, so that the word art text will be inserted in your screen. So once again, here look at the picture, page number 79. Click on the insert tab. So here is the insert tab, and the second option or second step is in the insert tab you can see various options. So here is the word art option, and the symbol is letter A. Here is the word art option which contains letter A, and just click on here which contains a gallery of special effects or gallery of some styles. So you can select your required style from there. Then a word art box opens. So it contains the text you enter on the screen. Then click OK button. So let's go take you recap. Microsoft Office Word is the most popular typing program used all over the world. You just need to press the required keys to type whatever you want. Then selecting the text is just like choosing the word to do further operations. And the font means it is a particular type in which you can write in the screen. Word art means it is the text with the special effects applied to it. So let's go to a question. Type the text computer is fun and apply the following format to it. So the question is type the text computer is fun. So we need a computer and also keyboard. First of all, type the letters C-O-M-P-U-T-S letters or the word computer is fun, and then applying the following operations. So the first question, change the font size to 36. So let's do it. So first one, the text you have to write is computer is fun. Computer is fun. First, you need to type the sentence computer is fun using your keyboard, right? Okay. Then, first question, change the size of the font is to 36. So, what are the steps to change a font size? First, click Home tab. Then select the size 36. Select 36. Then what happens? The size of the word computer is fund changed to bigger or bigger size or larger the sentence. Then next question, make it bold. So how to make a word into bold? So what are the steps? First, click home tab. Then before that, select the text. Select text. Select text. Click home tab. Then next, click font style B. Click the font style button. Font style button. Otherwise, you can select the text and press Ctrl plus B for making the word bold. Select the text and press the Ctrl B. Either you can use this step or select the text and then click B letter. B font, bold font style. Then third question, make it underlined. So similar way, you can select the text, select the text and then press Ctrl plus U. Press Ctrl plus U for making a word underlined. Then next is change its color to dark orange. Change its color to dark orange. How to change the font color? Yes, select the text. SELECT. Select the text. Then we know font color button. That is letter A. Font color button. Then select the color dark orange. Select dark orange color. Select dark orange color so that the text becomes, the color of text becomes orange. So here look here, page number 80. First select the text. The text is computer is fun. Then second step, click on the home tab and then change the font size to 36 and then apply the bold style. Then next apply the underline style. Then sixth step, change the color to dark orange. Then final text will look like this. So final, the result is like this. So here is the result. Then next, second question, write means of transport using word art. Yes, the text here is means of transport and you need to make that sentence attractive. So first we have to apply some effects on this sentence. For that we need word art. Yes, so what are the ways to apply word art? First click insert tab, then word art button, then select the required word style, then type the text, click OK. Then what happens, means of transport or final text will look like this. So here, look at the page number 81. Click on the insert tab. Then second step, here is the word art. So click on the word art style gallery. So there are different styles available. So just select the required word style from here and then edit the text. So we want to edit the text like this, means of transport. And then click OK button. Then what happens? Details of transport, that sentence will be appeared in a required style. Then next questions. Microsoft Office Word can be used to. We know what is Word. Word is a document, or Word can be used to create documents, right? So here, type text, play games, listen to music, make presentation. Which is the correct one? Microsoft Office Word is used to type text. So the first one is type text. Type text. Yes, so Word is a software used to type text. Then, which tab will you click to insert a picture? For insert picture, we can click the tab insert. Insert. I-N-S-C-R-T. So insert tab is used to insert the picture from the folder to the document. And the third one, which tab will you click to edit your text font properties? Which tab? For changing the font properties, we need to click the Home tab. Home tab. Then fourth one, which is the shortcut key for making the text italic. We know here the Control plus S means save. Then next Control plus I, italics. Then next Control plus B, bold. Then next Control plus C, copy. So here the question is how to make text italic. So which is the shortcut key used here? Control plus I. Yes, this is the correct one, Control plus I. The next, what is the shortcut key for making the text bold? So here look here, Control plus S save and Control plus B bold. So which is the shortcut key? Control plus B. Then which is the shortcut key making the text underlined? So what is that key? Alt plus K, Control plus K, Control plus U, Alt plus U. So what is the correct answer? Control plus U. For underline. Underline. Then next, if you keep on typing the text, it will wrap itself at the right end of the ruler. Yes, that is typing the text. So what do you mean by typing text? Press the required keys to type whatever you want. That means using the keyboard, you can press the required keys for making a sentence using backspace or space, etc. Then, if you keep on typing text, what happens? It will wrap itself at the right end of the ruler. So, is it true or not? Yes, it's true. So, put the tick mark on the box. Sorry, write tick on that box. Then next is selecting the text means deleting. So, is it correct or not? Selecting means just hold down the mouse button and drag it into the right end of the text. So here it doesn't mean that for deleting. So it is false. So first one true and the second is false. Then the third one, the more the font size, smaller the text. Is it correct or not? It's false. More the text size, more the text or bigger the text. More the font size, more the font size, bigger the text. Bigger text. Bigger the text. Then next is word art is the text with special effects applied to it. Yes, it's the definition of word art. So what is word art? Word art means collections of different special effects which we can apply to the text. So word art is the text with special effects applied to it. So it's true. Then here is the icon represents bold button. So the icon is letter B. So B represents what? Bold. Yes, it's true. Then next, the U icon represents italics button. So here is the icon. So does it represent the italics? No, it represents underlined, not italics. So italics means I is the icon which represents italics. Then next one, I icon represents underline button. So is it true or no? It's false. So write F on this box. Then the dash is the most popular typing program used all over the world. Which is the most popular typing program? So that is MS Office Word is the popular typing program used in nowadays, and it is also used all over the world for typing purposes. So what is that? MS Office Word. Microsoft. Who developed Microsoft Office Word? Which company developed the Microsoft? So Microsoft Office, the version is 2007. So Microsoft Office Word, and it is developed by the company Microsoft, and the version here we learn is 2007. Microsoft, and the version is 2007. Then next. So next question is the font style like bold, italics are under which tab? So which tab? Yes, here B, I and U are under home tab. Which tab? Home tab. HOME, home tab. Then next one. What is the tab used to insert word or text? For inserting the word or text, you need the insert tab. INSERT. Okay, next insert. Then what is the particular style in which you type the text? So what is the style to type the text? Yes. So that is the italics or font style. So here font is the particular style which you type the text. Font. F-O-N-T, font. The next is here fifth one, letter A represents which button? Font color button. Font color button. So next, last is the font color. types of colors which is used to apply colors to the text. Then next is answering one word or sentence. What do you mean by text? Text is the part. Text means what? It is the group of characters. Group of characters. So typing of text is simple. And what do you mean by text means it is the group of character, or we can say that it is the typed matter which does not include any pictures. So that is text. Text means text is the typed matter that does not include pictures. That does not include pictures. Include pictures. Yes, that is known as text. So here you write what is text. Text is the typed matter and that does not contain pictures. Then what kind of program is Microsoft Office Word? So what kind of program? It is a typing program. What is the Microsoft Office Word? What type of program? Typing program. Typing. Typing. program. Program. Typing program. So typing program is the Microsoft Office Word. Then third question. What kind of commands are stored in the Office button? So frequently used commands are stored in Office button. What are the frequently used commands? Yes, save, save command. Then open, open, open command. Then print, print command. So save, open, print, etc. frequently used commands are present in the Office button. Then next is what are the advantages of ribbon. So what is ribbon? Ribbon is one of the component of Microsoft Office Word and it gives you all the options for work in a single area. It gives all the options for work. So ribbon gives all the options for the work. In a single area. So that is ribbon. Then next one. What do you mean by italic words? Italic means italics are slanting to the right side. Italics are slanting to the right side. So italic means slanting to the right side. To the right side. So this chapter is over. Let's wind up this class. So we will continue later in another class. Thank you.